Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to disconnect a controller from a Nintendo Switch. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pair up this controller with the Nintendo Switch. It's not paired up right now, so I'm just going to pair it up to prove to you that this is a controller that is paired up. Then I'll show you how to disconnect it. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go to controllers. We are going to go to change grip/order. We're going to connect this controller as the first player, like that. Here we go. There we go. So it's now connected. So now this controller is controlling it. So we're going to go back again. You can see in the bottom left corner that is showing the controller. The Nintendo Switch Pro controller is what we have connected. Now to disconnect the controller is actually easier than you can probably imagine. What you're going to do is look for the sync button. And the sync button is probably the original button they used to connect the controller for the first time. It's how you sort of linked up the controller to your Nintendo Switch for the first time. On the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, the sync button's up here at the top, okay? Now when you connected it, you had to press and hold it down until the Switch found the controller. Usually a few seconds was more than enough. To disconnect it is even easier than that, believe it or not. So I want you to keep an eye on that right there. Now to disconnect it, and you can see right here, we're the first player, all that you gotta do is press the sync button, just press it, like press it just for not even a second. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna keep my finger on the sync button and I'm gonna press it. I want you to keep an eye on what's happening. Okay, so I'm gonna press it right now, just like that. I pressed it, the light turned off, and then look at that, it went back to handheld mode. And now this controller is no longer controlling, it's no longer working, but my Joy-Cons are automatically connected again. That's it. I just disconnected this controller from the Nintendo Switch. Just to prove it, I'll go to controllers. Okay, I'll go to change grip order. And as you can see, it's not there. It's no longer connected. So that's basically it. That is essentially how to disconnect a controller from a Nintendo Switch. You just press the sync button for just like that. Like just tap it. I wouldn't even call it a second. It's like, pop, pop, like half a second maybe. And that's it. It should disconnect. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.